I have an Aprilaire 8476 programmable thermostat. Is there a way to turn off the air cleaning function? My furnace will heat my house to the desired temperature, but the fan never shuts off. As the temperature drops, the furnace does not turn back on unless I turn the unit off and back on again. I have had technicians out twice that tell me they cannot find a problem. The air filter is inserted properly and brand new. I am tired of freezing. The temperature will drop into the low 50s overnight.
Hello. My name is. I'll do my best to help. Let's get started and see what we can do. Tell me what you currently have the air cleaning function set to, on/auto? Circ/event or allergy?
Auto.
Okay, in auto mode, air cleaner should not be on unless heat or cool is being called for. Your issue is with something else. Either wiring, setup or the heating system itself. Let's start with wiring. Tell me what wires are connected to what terminals on thermostat and an air handler. Example, red from air handler to R with jumper to RC. Green from air handler to G, etc.
Red to R with light blue jumper between R and RC, white to Vi, yellow to Y, green to G, blue to C. Remainder of the terminals vacant.
I am assuming that white is going to W, Vi? Next tell me what each of the functions is set to. X00 equals 1, 02 equals 1, etc.
Yes, W, sorry. Not sure where to find the function information you are looking for.
Here is a link to installation manual. Look on page 9 for instructions on entering setup menu. Then see pages 10 and 11, 12 and 13. So we can match thermostat to your system. Make sure the SW1 switch is set to HC. http://www.nsupply.com/files/products/31622.pdf.
Thank you. Switch is correct. 00 is 0, 01 is 0, 02 is 0, 03 is 0, 04 is 0, 05 is 0, 06 is 5, 07 is 2, 08 is 2, 09 is 1, 10 is 1, 13 is 4, 15 is 1, 19 is 0, 20 is off, 21 is off.
Okay, your thermostat seems to be wired and set up correctly. I believe the issue is going to be in the furnace itself. The very first time that you notice furnace is off when according to thermostat should be on, go to the furnace. There should be a small inspection window on blower door. Look inside and see if we have a blinking light on furnace control board. This will indicate what has failed by the pattern of the blinking light. I will need model on furnace and pattern of flash to guide you in troubleshooting why furnace is not running.
Okay, I reset it right before I began this thread, so I am not sure when the problem will happen again. Several days can go by without an issue, or it can happen multiple times in a day. I have never used JustAnswer before. Can I reply to this question again once I have an answer for you?
Absolutely. Just leave the question open until furnace fails. When it fails and should be running, say if we get an error code. Then come back to website, go to my questions and we will go from here.
Great. Thank you very much for your help so far.
Thank you. Look forward to hearing back.
It is a Linux model number G23Q2/3752. Flash pattern is 1 second on, 5 seconds off on the intermittent pilot ignition control.
Okay, looks like you have two boards, a blower control and ignition control. In this case, the light may not be much help in troubleshooting. We have to go step by step, depending on whether spark is present but pilot will not light. No spark and system will not work, or pilot lights but main valve will not come on. I am going to attach a link to service manual. See pages 38 to 41. Let me know if you need guidance with the troubleshooting charts. http://www.heatingondairparts.com/documents/G23%20service.pdf.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.